Okay, so this is our A. How are we going to write it, right? The first one is our A. Going here. And then going down. And then after going down there, we circulate. Hi, very good. Hi, so this. Hi, great job. Okay, so that is our okay. But make sure that there are 3 holes here.
Yeah.
Okay, next one, we will have our next character. We call it for our E. So we already study. We will study 2 now. We're going to study our A, E, U, E, and we have our O.
Is so funny. Yeah.
So we are saying here our A, E, U, E, O. So let's have our E out to right. Let's have our right knee focus over E. Okay, going down, then jump. Okay. E. Right, okay. So we have our quick release here called ane.
Going up, jumping.
Jump, a flick release. The jump.
A little bit jump.
Okay, and then go here.
There, 2 eye. I'm see 2 eye.
Hi, okay, that can understand it. And here. Next one, we have our U. Okay, U. Here and here. Hi, U.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this.
Okay, so when somebody punch, they say, oh.
Punch? Okay. This was scared. Oh, I'm going to my paper from.
Okay. And we have our U. Okay.
I'm going to use. There is my U here. You see that?
Okay.
I see that. Okay. This is E.
Okay, we have our E. Can you say E?
No, E.
Không chờ. Mai.
Okay. This is
Ta lắp tiếp thành rồi. Tài có tiêu chứ thành rồi.
One UFO. Okay.
I see that. That's so small.
O. Okay. Can you say O? Okay. So remember this one, they are different from this is A. The first one is A. But the second one is O. Okay. This one is O. So there will be a floating stroke here. Okay. So let's have the writing focus.
1, 2, no, 1, 2.
Writing focus
I'm going
about
to Osana.
Hi. So let's write now. So how to write it? Going, it's almost an A, but it will become a lower one. So put lower here.
Over here.
And you circle it here.
1, I'm going to join 1 and 2. Oh, I'm joining my. 1, 2, and 3. No, 1, okay. Oh, so long.
Okay. So remember the characters. We have our A, I, U, E, O. Can you say? A, I, U, E, O. Good, okay. Like staying here for our A. A, it's like an apple. Then E, it looks like 2I. E, okay. E. This one is U, okay. And next one we have our E and O. A, I, U, E, O.
A, I, U, E, O. My kitty.
Okay. A, I, U, E. A, I, U, E, O. Right, so. Okay, so let's have our quiz time.
Okay.
So tell me know what character is this?
This is E.
So what letter? That's E. Okay, how about this one?
Yeah,
This one?
E.
No.
It. I saw this. E. Okay, E. It means stomach. Okay, how about this one?
You. Oh, wait. You.
So that is
Oh.
I, U. U. How about this one? What is the first one?
Is.
Okay. And this one is O. Can you say O?
O is together and drums and
And followed by O. How about this one? How to read this together now? I, but it will become I. Can you say I? It means love. Okay, love.
Love.
I think same in Chinese.
Love.
Love in Chinese. How to say love in Chinese? Eyes. What is love in Japanese?
I.
Okay. How about this one? This one? Uwe. Okay. I saw this. Okay. Uwe, it means up. Okay. Okay. Up. Up.
Son. Yeah, but yeah.
How about this one? E. Right. And this one is It become a long one. E.
Yeah.
So this. E.
Yeah.
It means no. No. How about next word? This is. Oops.
Oh.
This one
No.
is.
And C. O. G.
Aoi. Can you say? Aoi.
Aoi.
So this ne. Aoi, it means blue. Okay, blue. Blue. So let's take a look with the following words. Okay. Okay, so let's have this word. How to read this one?
Oops.
So it becomes, how to read this one? This.
And see that. No. Oh.
Au. Can you say? Au. Okay, it means meat. Au. Okay. So this. How about this one? It means the first is. Oh no, it's become.
I see that. Is going thunder. Is and
So we have EU. Can you say EU?
Yeah.
No, EU, it means to say. Okay, to say. How about this one? So this one is, it means house. Okay.
House.
Yes, house.
House is over there.
So how to see this one? It becomes, how to read it now?
House there.
Yeah. You say yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. How about this one? How to read it now?
Many.
Many. Okay, it means many.
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 Okay, how to read this one?
Many.
It becomes oi.
Oi.
It means many. Right? No? It becomes long.
Oi. Oi.
Oi. Oi. One. Oi.
Oi.
Right, so this. Okay. How about, let's have this one.
It is oi.
How about this one?
Is oop. Oop.
No, the Japanese, how to read this one?
Yeah.
So that
Japanese. Japanese. Japanese.
Uwe. Okay. Uwe. Hi. Uwe. Hi. So this. Okay. Okay. Next one. How about to say this one? So.
Bé平時講嘅
arigato.
Okay, very good. So we have
Yeah.
arigato.
Arigato. Gozaimasu.
Gozaimasu. Gozaimasu. Okay, one more. Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Right. Okay. How about this one?
Hello.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo
ございます。
gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Okay. Next. How about, let's have this one.
Arigato.
Hmm.
I think this
と
one.
と
Arigato gozaimasu.
How about this one?
To.
Do.
To.
うえ
To ue.
Do itashimashite. Do itashimashite.
とうえ
Tôi gozaimasu.
Do itashimashite.
Tôi gozaimasu.
This one is become do itashimashite. One more.
ましまして。
Good.
Tôi animase.
Do itashimashite.
とういたしま
When
し
we
て。
say arigato gozaimasu, it means thank you very much. But if you want to say,
Arigato gozaimasu.
but if you want to say you're welcome, we say do itashimashite. You're welcome.
Tôi gozaimasu.
And I can say do itashimashite. And if you
Tôi gozaimasu.
right, so this ne. And if I will say here, good morning, we have ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Right, so this. So every time in the class,
Gozaimasu.
you'll say good morning of ohayo gozaimasu.
Mommy.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Gozaimasu.
Right, so this. Ja,
Ohayo.
okay, thank you for coming to the class.
Uy.
See you again in the next class. Bye-bye.
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 Bye.
Mata raishu. Okay, bye-bye.
はい。ありがとう。ありがとう。
Arigatou
Arigato
gozaimasu. Do itashimashite. Bye-bye.
Bye.
ありがとう。
I'm going to teach you how to master writing.
Hello, Itan-kun.
はーい。
カメラお願いします。じゃあ、元気、
はい。
元気ですか ?Are you good?
はい。
元気ですね。はい、元気です。
はい。元気です。
じゃあ、始めましょう。
Remember.
始めましょう。と言いますか What are we going to say once we start the class? 覚えているね。
We look for my screenshots.
Okay, ちょっと待って。ね、はい。始めましょ
よろしくお願いします。
はい。おはようございます。よろしくお願いします。イーサン君。はい。ね。それから何と言いますか？エンディングね。終わりましょう。Then
arigatou gozaimashita.
はい。
Ayan.
はい、正しい。
お疲れ様でした。
はい。ありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。ね。じゃあ、それからね、
また来週。
また来週。See you next. But
Yes.
since we will
また
see
来週。
tomorrow, not また来週, we will still have
ま
Sunday.
たね。
またね。ね。
またね。
Pag Saturday, you will use またね. But on Sunday, you will use また来週。わかりますか？
はい、よくわかります。
Good. Okay. Now, let's have our writing class. Okay. But before that, let's watch this simple video first about the characters.
Yes.
In this series, I'm going to teach you how to master the Japanese alphabet in the fastest, easiest, and most fun way. Did you know written Japanese actually uses 3 different scripts: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Hiragana is the basic Japanese alphabet. Contrary to the English alphabet, however, each character represents one syllable sound. So every time you see one specific character, you know that it will always sound the same way. The second script used in Japanese is katakana. Each katakana character represents the same syllable as its hiragana counterpart. However, it is written a bit differently.
Okay, so we have our hiragana and katakana. Hiragana is a word that started in Japan, and katakana are borrowed words. So it means that
Isn't katakana used for like the foreign words?
Yeah, foreign words. Foreign borrowed words, no? And kung
I think I practiced writing these a while back. It's just that I have problems with the ones with the curves.
Okay, it's okay.
Like from hiragana, I cannot for the life of me.
Okay, it's okay, no? So it means that whatever is in our hiragana is also exists in katakana.
Differently, and is used mostly for foreign words. These two make up the Japanese alphabet, and they will be the focus of this series. On the other hand, kanji characters represent a word or a concept, and unlike hiragana and katakana, there are thousands of them. Plus, there are also different readings for each of them. This makes kanji characters.
Okay, ito naman mga kanji, mga Chinese characters, no? Ito yung Japanese reading nila, no? May mga times na nagabago ang kanilang reading.
Harder to master. However, it's important to learn them as well because they are.
So kapag sila kinukuno ng isang sentence, no? Nababasa sila or binabasa sila ng isang buo. Okay.
Essential in understanding Japanese. To learn more about kanji, check out our kanji series at JapanesePort101.com, which I also host with Alicia. Characters could also be used to substitute kanji characters that you don't know how to write. But don't use this as an excuse not to learn kanji. There are 46 used to substitute. There are also lots of words that are more commonly written in hiragana rather than kanji. Technically, hiragana characters could also be used to substitute kanji characters that you don't know how to write. But don't use this as an excuse not to learn kanji. There are 46 hiragana characters and they are...
Okay, so ito yung pag-aaralan natin. Sa Japanese, meron tayong 5 vowels lang and meron tayong consonant na 10, no? 10. Naalala mo, marunong na tayo magbilang ng 1 to 10, no? Sige, bilang ka ng 1 to 10.
Wait, you want me to count from 1 to 10 in Japanese?
Yes, marunong ka na? 1 to 10.
Hi. Yeah, we learned this yesterday. We learned this last week.
Okay, ichi. Okay, can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so that's no. So ang tawag sa buo niya to ay gojuonshi. Gojuonshi. It comes from the word of go.
Isn't